How to create unique Instagram reels. So if you want to create unique Instagram reels, then first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now go with story, which is on the upper left. Tap on the plus icon. Go with your camera. Under your camera, you need to go with layout option. Under layout, you need to choose a layout. For example, I'll be choosing this two images layout. And here you can add your image. Like for example, you can choose an image right now, or you can choose from your gallery. So I'll be choosing it from my gallery. Once you've chosen, now tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on save. And once you've saved, now you need to go back and discard that edit and go back again and go with reels. Under reels, now you need to simply choose a reel that you would like to post. So tap on share and then tap on add to story, and here you will have your reel, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that stickers option, and then go with photo. Choose the image that you have just downloaded or just saved, and now you can again go with stickers and search for tap here sticker, and you can simply choose any sticker that you would like. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and then tap on share, which is here on the bottom, and wait for it to post. And once it's posted, I can simply tap on that tap here option, and then the other person can watch the full reel. So in this way you can add Instagram reels uniquely. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.